Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to eject water from AirPods. If your AirPods get wet, follow these steps to minimize damage and dry them properly. 1. Dry the outside of your AirPods. Use an absorbent microfiber cloth to immediately and thoroughly dry the exterior. Turn on the earbuds upside down and gently shake them to dislodge trapped water. If more water comes out, dry them again. 2. Remove water from interior. If water may still be inside, you can use the water eject shortcut on your iPhone or iPad. Connect your AirPods to your device and open a web browser and navigate to the Shortcuts gallery page for water eject. Tap Get Shortcut and add the shortcut. Now open the Shortcut app and select Water Eject, then Start, choosing the preferred intensity. Repeat until water drops coming out, then disconnect your AirPods to turn them off. And finally, use silica gel packets. Place your AirPods in a container with silica gel packets to absorb moisture. These packets are often included in product packaging. Avoid using rice as it can introduce starch and debris. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.